Friends, this is an excavator, and what it's doing is called dredging the river. Below is a river, a watercourse, a man-made watercourse, and as you can see there's a lot of bush around, a lot of dirt, and what happens is when that accumulates, this happens. Lots of flooding when rain falls. So to prevent that, an excavator goes in the river and clears a path so all the water can continue down without being blocked. Now you might think, well, what does a little grass do on the side, or a little bush, or a little weeds? Well, you'd be surprised at how things get stuck between those bushes, and as they accumulate to get stuck, the whole river ends up blocked. Now dredging is something that should be done everywhere on a timely basis and continually. Really, the river should never get this bushy, but it's good that it is being dredged. Now some of you, especially the kids, love to see excavators at work, and so I'm going to allow you to see how the excavator does its job at cleaning the bush while trying to keep the surroundings similar to how it is. So if you can see where it's just attacking the bush itself and not necessarily pulling dirt or other things back into the path of where the water will go. You can see the tremendous progress that has been made already. This is the other side of that same shot, and I even created a video about flooding a while back and why flooding happens in the Caribbean, especially in this island that I'm in called Trinidad. If you haven't seen it, make sure to look for it in my channel, JB's Man Cave on YouTube, and feel free to comment. How often do you see an excavator come in your area to dredge the river or clear any of the water courses? You see it often, once and again, only when there's flooding? Feel free to tell me in the comments area. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like and share.